It going to be out there today, Megan?
Oh, you know what? Temperatures are actually pretty close to average. It's the humidity. It's the humidity that's making it so bad, and because it's so humid, the morning lows start off so warm. So the whole day is kind of just warm and sticky out there. We're talking about 90s though for our inland neighborhoods, and yeah, just keep heat safety in mind. Heat is the #1 killer in the U.S. So something to keep in mind as you're living through this heat wave with all of us. All right, that lightning that we just saw was due to this system right here, but it moved through the 805 and the 5. So if you're traveling in the South Bay this morning, your roads are likely wet. I was just looking at Kalina's tweet, and yeah, you could see some wet roads there. Other than that, things are quieting down. This is what we expected. We talked about this starting at 4:30. Things are going to start to quiet down just in time for your morning drive if you're heading out right now. But we are going to see that potential for it to pick up again this afternoon and evening. However, it shouldn't be quite as active as it was overnight. That best chance, this is at 4 o'clock, will be in our mountain and desert areas. I think this is a little underestimate, but any showers and thunderstorms could move west to our coast and our valleys, just like we're seeing this morning. And it is warm out there right now. This is another reason why it just feels so uncomfortable all day long, because we're starting off so warm. We're in the 70s in Kearney Mesa, El Cajon, downtown, mid 70s in our mountains, and our deserts are in the mid 90s right now. So it's a really warm and muggy start to our morning. That possibility for showers and thunderstorms continues through the day today and tomorrow. We should get another wave overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. We could be waking up to this all over again. And then on Thursday, the potential looks like it's going to be holding steady in the mountains and the desert areas. Heavy rain, small hail, gusty winds, localized flash flooding can't be ruled out with any thunderstorms that form that flooding threat, though, mainly in our mountain areas. And Thursday could be actually our biggest threat for that because the systems are going to be slower moving. Humid through Thursday at the coast. Humidity starts to drop on Friday, but temperatures will be warmer Thursday and Friday in the 80s. Inland neighborhoods, the hottest days will be tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, but the humidity at least starts to ease on Friday. A lot more comfortable this weekend. Highs closer to average, but the humidity not quite as persistent. Through at least Thursday, there's that chance for showers and thunderstorms in our mountains and deserts. Kalina?